Welcome to Cook Me Crib's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a website with GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages is a really nice hosting service because it's free and unlimited, and it's made by GitHub, which is great. So to get started, open up your browser, go to GitHub. You go to github.com. Wait for it to load. And it's loaded! Yay! If you don't have an account, go ahead and make one. If you do have an account, log into it if you're not already. And scroll down and press New Repository right here. Okay. Now, if you want the website to be hosted at your username .github.io and then not have any slashes after that except for the file names, then type in your username .github.io. I already have one of those, so I'm going to write in, what should I call this repository? I'm going to call it Bobo's Cool Stuff. And make sure it's public. Check the box that says initialize this repository with a README. You're going to need that if you don't want to do a bunch of confusing command line stuff that you don't need to do. And now, click Create Repository. Oh look, here it is. Bobo's Cool Stuff. There's just one problem. You won't find any of these files on the internet unless you're on github.com, so to fix that, go to Settings. Scroll down all the way until it says GitHub Pages. Then click, for source, choose Master Branch. You don't have to choose a theme unless you're going to do it with Jekyll, which is confusing, so don't do it with Jekyll. Just do it with HTML. Click Save. Now wait. Okay, now scroll down again. And look! Your site is ready to be published. So, reload this page a few times until it says your site is published. And let's see. Oh, my site is published. Click on that. And you get here. But wait, now it just says the name of the repository, which is stupid. So go back. Scroll up. Click on code. Okay. Click create new file. And call this file index.html up here. Index.html. Look, it appears in my suggestions because I make those so much. Ah, that's cool. And then in the code, put whatever you want your homepage to look like. So I'm going to put title, Bobo's Cool Stuff. Close title. And then I'm going to put an H1 tag that says cool stuff here. Close the H1 tag. And finally a script tag. Script alert. Bobo is super cool and awesome and stuff. And more exclamation marks. And then you go close that, close parentheses, semicolon, close script tag. Okay, now you're done writing that file. You can put whatever you want in there. Click Commit New File button. This is how you save your changes. And look, there's the file! Yay! So, go back to settings. Scroll down. And look, my site is published. Click. Oh no! It's still the old version. That's because GitHub takes a few minutes to update. So let's wait. And reload now. Look! Cool stuff here! Ah, and look, my script tag didn't work. But that's okay, because it still looks cool. So, yay! We made a simple website with GitHub pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out Kidsy in the bottom right corner of this video. And comment if you want to learn how to do something and you think I should do a video on it. You should do that, because I need ideas. Bye.